If your resume keeps getting rejected, it's not necessarily because you're unqualified. Most of the time, it's because your resume doesn't match what the industry expects to see. Each industry has its own standards, from the skills you highlight to the language and even the layout. If you don't know what's right, just use a real resume example as a reference when you write your own resume. In this video, I'll show you where to find the right resume examples for any job or industry, and how to use them to create a resume that actually fits the role you want. There are millions of resume examples online, but if you want to find exactly the one you're looking for, you can use our Resume Examples Hub. Click on the link in the description or go to resumegenius.com and click on Resume Examples at the top of the page. We've got over 1,000 resumes for every job, industry, and even resumes for students or stay-at-home moms. Click View All Resume Examples to see the full list. Then type in your target job title in the search bar. Let's look for some digital marketing resumes. Here you can see 3 different examples of digital marketing resumes based on experience level. I'm going to go with experienced and then click download. Now I've got a Microsoft Word resume template filled out for free, and all I have to do is replace all this text with my own resume information. I've already got a rough draft of my resume, but if you want to make yours from scratch, you can actually use our resume builder for free and download your resume as a text file. Then we just copy and paste the contents into this template. Here's a pro tip for you. Use Ctrl-Shift-V to paste instead of Ctrl-V, or Command-Shift-V instead of Command-V on a Mac. This will paste without formatting, so you don't accidentally change the font or the text size in the resume template. Now I'm going to go back to the page and click on how to improve your digital marketing resume in the table of contents. Let's take a look at these writing tips. The first writing tip is quantify your achievements with numbers. I have some numbers in my work experience bullet points already, but there are a few more things that I can quantify. The next tip is include skills from the job ad. Nice, there's even a list of the most sought after digital marketing skills. This is super important, especially now since companies are relying on ATS software to filter out unqualified applicants. Alright, the last tip says I should write my work experience more like a marketing report with details about my process that a marketing manager will understand, instead of just listing what I did. The last thing to do is just save my resume. I'm going to save it as a PDF file so it looks the same no matter who opens it on what device. Now my resume is complete. The template looks great and I got free help writing it. That's not all though. There are hundreds of other resume templates to download for free from resumegenius.com. So if you see a template that fits your experience better, or you just like it better, you can use that one instead. As always, I'll put a link in the description. If you're interested in more, you can check out our video on how to tailor your resume to a specific job, or our playlist of job-specific resume writing guides. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest resume writing tips from our team of experts. Good luck with your job search.